Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. In the last video, we talked about how the Model Context Protocol or MCP allows Claude Code to connect to your tools and data using natural language. Today we are going to take this from theory to practice by connecting Claude Code to two of the most popular cloud tools, Notion for content and documentation and Sentry for error monitoring. By the end of this video, you will be able to ask Claude questions like summarize the latest pages I created in Notion or show me the top errors in Sentry from the last 12 hours. And it will respond based on real live data from your accounts, no API coding required. Let's start with Notion. To connect Claude to your Notion workspace, all we need is a single command in the terminal. This registers Notion as an MCP server that Claude Code can communicate with using secure HTTP. Once that's done, we authenticate, open Claude Code and type /MCP. You will see a menu listing all available MCP servers. Just select Authenticate next to Notion. This opens a browser window allowing you to confirm access. It's secure, seamless, and instantly connects Claude to your workspace. Now Claude can access Notion using natural language. For example, try asking, find the last 3 updated pages in Notion and summarize them. Claude fetches those pages through the Notion MCP server, interprets them, and provides a concise summary all from within your editor. Let's connect another tool, Sentry, to track and analyze errors. Just like with Notion, we add the Sentry MCP server using the same Claude MCP add command and then authenticate through /MCP. Once connected, Claude can interact with your Sentry data in real time. Ask it things like what are the top errors in the last 24 hours? Or show me the affected users for the most active issue. It's like having your error dashboard right inside your IDE. So with just a few simple commands, we have connected Claude Code to real cloud-based services, Notion for docs, and Sentry for monitoring. MCP makes it incredibly easy to bring live, real-world data into your development workflow using plain English. In the next video, we will go even further by connecting Claude Code to local tools and custom scripts using MCP. That means you will be able to plug in your own Python scripts, CLI tools, even your personal databases, and control them with natural language. Make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Let's build some powerful workflows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.